Hello everyone, my name is Semih Ekmekçi. I'm an undergraduate student in Bilkent University and I'm currently studying on a mathematical department. This is my Physics 101 lab project video presentation. The main object of my project was to investigate the correlation between period and mass, period and spring constant, period and amplitude, and compare the results I get from my experiment to the Hooke's law, which gives a formula for the period of a spring harmonic oscillator. Here is the list of required equipment for my project. In task 1, I used two springs, spring 1 and spring 2. When springs in the equilibrium position, the sum of gravitational force and the restoring force should be 0. We can obtain the spring constant for both spring 1 and spring 2 by this equation. These are the spring constants I found from task 1. In task 2, I investigate the correlation between spring constant and period using spring 1 and spring 2. I put 200 gram mass on both springs, pull the springs down, and then I release them. I calculate their period using the video. By the results I get, I saw that the period is approximately increasing inversely proportional to the square root of spring constant as spring constant increase, just as you can see in task 2 table. In task 3, I investigate the correlation between period and mass. I put 100, 200 and 300 gram mass on spring 1 and calculate the period. Because of some technical issues, I wasn't able to upload the video where I put 100 gram mass. By the results I get, I saw the period is approximately increasing proportional to the square root of mass as mass increase, just as you can see in task 3 table. In task 4, I investigate the correlation between period and amplitude. I pull the string down 1, 2 and 4 centimeters and calculate the period. Once again, because of some technical issues, I wasn't able to upload the video where I pull the spring 1 centimeters down, so I apologize for that. By the results I get, I saw the amplitude does not have an effect on period, just as you can see in task 4 table. In conclusion, I was able to observe the correlation between period and mass, amplitude and spring constant with a small amount of error compared to the result I should get by using Hooke's law to calculate the period. The error is caused by certain factors such as friction and measurement mistakes. Even though I try to minimize those mistakes, it's almost impossible to have 0% error in a lab environment, so I'm pretty happy with my results. I also want to thank my TAs, Serhan Başdemirci and Saadettin Karatege for helping me in my lab projects. Thank you all for listening.